Hello, so this is what to do or not to do. So don't drop your bees, right? Because then you have to pick them up or they're gonna come up on your legs. So just sugar water. When I get a bee like in an annoying place, I stop a little bit, get it off, move back a little bit, and I look for clues. So for example, when they get on me, do they like poof? And so that means that they're super stressed out. So I try to help them chill a little bit. Give them more sugar water. Basically, they are so stressed out that they're having a diarrhea. Okay? They're shitting themselves. Let me settle a little bit. I look, if I pass my hand over them, and they try to sting me, nah, they chill. Put one on my leg. Took off. So, if they knew their queen, they would try to go where she is. But the cage also smells like the queen. So, it takes time for that smell to go away. It's not bad. One is on my throat, one is on my eye. was in my hand. Huh, tack. Still in my throat. So they're like one or two turning around me, so they're kind of scanning and wondering, who am I? Have one like behind the ear. Alright, that scared her a little bit. Oh, she took off. It's too cold to do that naked, but it's actually better because you feel them better. And the wind is picking up speed, so it's getting chilly. Alright, so there's a few bees here and there. Basically they're gathering in little clusters, and then I'm going to pick them up one by one, cluster by cluster, and then individual by individual. And that's that. You know, there's one beehive and then another beehive over there. I did get stung once because I had some syrup on me and it stuck to the bee, and so when I shook it, she didn't fall, and she got caught in my hair and got scared, and so she's staying very lightly, and so I just I didn't take the stinger out by pressing it. I just scratched it in the direction that it was going, so I didn't press the venom inside of me, so it, you know, it's like nothing at all. Anyway, some people, they pay hard to, they pay good money to be able to get stung for these benefits. Alright, take care, bye.